In a big list within Business Central, when you have a lot of data in front of you, you want to be looking and diagnosing certain information. So it sometimes can be very difficult to shortcut your filters. So I just want to see documents that are not closed or that are closed. Let's go with closed. I'm going to move my mouse to the title, filter to this value. Straight away, we've now shortened the list. I can then further look at a filter of the School of Fine Art, filter to this value. There we go, we've built our filters on top of each other, and I'm going to see some reoccurring dates. I'm going to filter to the amount here, filter to this value. And just like that, I found every transaction that was closed for this customer that was that amount of money by just clicking on the column, filter to this value. Thank you.